Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So as you all know, we're all at home, homebound. It can get boring and a little stressful. So I have decided to make sure I'm taking care of myself, my overall health, my skin conditions, and all that good details. So one of the things I'm doing is trying to incorporate some scrubs in my facial routines. And if you guys would like to see my facial routine, let me know in the comment section. This quick DIY will just show you guys one of the basic scrubs you can make right from the kitchen. And this has many great benefits, which I'll be putting in the description. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys for the next one. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!